top marker on your page is Belt of Dicks.
Yeah, that's been sitting there for like a week.
Yeah.
Yeah. No notes, man. I'm going on the fly.
Alright. Keep it to a minute. Maybe we'll give it another 50 views.
I know. How the fuck did that work?
I'm telling you, the less we're on camera, the better it is.
Basically, me just telling everyone that you're all fucked.
Yeah.
But oddly enough, we are also going to talk about the recession. Basically, they're telling Biden his climate change format is fucked. It's West Virginia versus the EPA. The state of West Virginia versus the EPA.
I want to know something about it.
Will you pluck your fucking ear hairs out?
I need one of those.
Jesus Christ.
There it is.
Looking like a fucking elephant shit. West Virginia versus EPA. Yep, told you. I told you I could carry this one, man.
Alright, I'm ready.
You good? Alright.
I just want to go into not being a complete fucking fool.
Sorry.
Because I think it's important to know important decisions that are being made.
Yeah, well, on top of that, I mean...
And I don't know anything about them.
You know, this might get said during the video, but they are basically, fisting the Democrats in the butthole right now. The Supreme Court.
That's because they're overstepping their bounds.
Yeah, of course. I mean, and we can. Oh man, I wish I still had that tweet from Barack Obama.
Which one?
Yeah, a tweet came across my phone last night.
Look it up and we can say it.
I don't have it.
They're hiding this tweet.
And there was something else. They might have taken it down because when I saw it, I was like, "What?"
They are hiding. They are hiding this tweet.
It was basically like calling the Supreme Court a congressperson.
Biden suggests he'd nominate Obama to the Supreme Court. What the fuck?
That's got to be fake.
Probably.
Anyway, all right.
No, I fucking spelled tweet wrong. That might be the problem. Because it's not a real word.
Use your fingers.
Yeah, fat fingers.
Twat. Is that what you spelled on there?
No. Reweet. It's still not there.
Like I said, it might have gotten taken down because I saw that. I was like, "What?" It was almost like he was calling for them to like overthrow the Supreme Court. It seemed like. I'm like, that's the whole purpose of checks and balances,
Oh, because you don't have all the fucking power.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. It 100% seemed like a power grab thing. So anyway, let's see. What are we on? Episode. Okay. Good. I didn't fuck up. 29.
29.
Good?
Yep. We're talking about getting old or something.
Yep. Basically, we're talking about the motherfucker.
The motherfucker?
Yeah.
I mean, I think we're all motherfuckers.
Right, but getting old is the motherfucker.
Yeah. It's not enjoyable as being a motherfucker as feeling like a motherfucker.
Sure.
You don't think being a motherfucker is better than feeling like a motherfucker?
No, that's not what I said.
I know.
What? I think the flex rolls are still fucking with you.
Probably. I did take one last night. So I'm like half awake and half not.
I can tell.
Trying to drink my coffee.
It's alright. Don't worry about it. Let's just muscle through. Yeah, just the shit in the background or on screen while we're talking about it. Obviously better.
That's for like the podcast.
No. I'm talking about as you're talking about history, STEM.
No, there's no video of us doing that.
But I'm saying, slap something up on the screen, come back to our shot, something else on the screen, depending on how the video flows and everything.
Well, see, here's what I've noticed, because I've been trying to pay attention to what I watch and what I don't watch. There's some people that I just don't like the way they look.
Yeah. Okay.
So
you don't like the way your stuff looks, is what you're saying.
No, I don't like the way.
That is 100% what you're saying.
No, I don't like the way anybody. When I'm trying to watch something and learn about something, I don't really give two fucking shits who the person is that's giving me the information. They don't need to be there at all. What all I want is the actual information.
Okay.
I don't want them to be on screen at all. I just want the information. And in fact, if they do show up on the screen, I normally click off of it.
Well, that's you. You're one person. And you do shit a lot different because you don't usually watch shit, you just listen to it. You're basically a Spotifyer.
No, well, when I'm at home, I watch the videos. And if the person shows up on the screen while they're trying to give me information, I click off the video. Because all I want is the information. I don't want or care to know about who is actually giving me the information.
I think that's a you thing.
I mean, it's just the most popular videos.
I think
If you look at the amount of views,
that's a you thing.
if you look at the amount of views and like there's been people that I just find their voices annoying, like sports clips and stuff like that.
But you still listen to their voices.
Yeah, but he fucking shows up on the goddamn video and thinks he's internet famous. I don't want him on the video.
But yeah, I mean, you're still listening to their voices. If you say you hate their voices and their voices are annoying, but you're listening to their voices, you're not making any fucking sense.
It's not a. This is not a fucking stream. This is.
Yes, it is not a stream.
Like when I'm doing like this, there should not be a me in the video. It should be bullet points.
It's what we have to fucking work with right now.
I know right now.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so you need to bring the laptop over, and after we get that thing set up, we will connect it to the network, and we can, do switching.
It's just like basically a pre-recorded voice, and you voice over, and then you put pictures in the background of the thing relevant.
I might not
things.
have enough time in the week to do this, though. That's the only problem.
Yeah.
I mean, if we can, like I said, figure out how to do the switching and everything on the fly, that's another story.
Well, that's like I might try to do it. Try to see if I can.
Unless you want to hire an editor.
I might try to see if I can, like, how hard it is to do that from home on my thing, and then bring it over here, and then if you, have you upload it, or you can give me the password and stuff, and I can try to upload it.
I think you are going to be. I don't know. I mean, first things first, we gotta get that thing set up.
Yeah.
And then go from there. You're trying to jump like fucking goddamn 5 miles down the road.